Have you ever helped someone without being asked? Let's talk about a word that makes teamwork and kindness shine. Today's word is contribute. Can you say it with me? Contribute. Let's spell it together. Ready? C-O-N-T-R-I-B-U-T-E. That spells contribute. Contribute means to give something, like time, effort, or help, for a cause. Here are some words that mean the same as contribute. Say them with me. Give, like sharing your toys with a friend. Donate, like bringing canned food to a food drive. Offer, like helping someone carry their books. Share, like letting your classmate borrow a pencil. Supply, like adding your ideas to a group project. Each one shows how contribute means giving something to make a difference. Now let's look at the opposites of contribute. Withhold, like keeping something instead of sharing it. Take, like using something that isn't yours. Keep, like holding back your time or energy. Remove, like taking away instead of adding. Detract, like making it harder for others to succeed. That's what happens when you don't contribute. Here's a great example. Sofia wanted to contribute her time at the library by helping younger kids pick out books. Let's review. Contribute means to give something, like time, effort, or help, for a cause. Synonyms include give, donate, offer, share, and supply. Antonyms include withhold, take, keep, remove, and detract. When you contribute, you make the world a better place. Your efforts matter more than you know. Your challenge: contribute by helping a family member or classmate with a small task today. Great job learning today's word, contribute. Keep giving, sharing, and helping others. You make a difference every day. See you tomorrow for another Word Up with Sofia.